Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, you are going to learn the basics to draw in DraftSight. Let's have a look. The black space is where you draw and modify your design. This space is a coordinate system that has two axes, X and Y. Every point in this space has an exact position on the axis. If you move your mouse, you can see your current position in X and Y in the lower right corner of the screen. The cross in the lower left corner is the origin of the coordinate system. On the sides, you have toolbars, which contain all the tools that we are going to use to draw. To select a tool, like line, simply left-click on it. Now draw something by left-clicking on the screen. If you do a mistake, you can undo by pressing Ctrl and Z on your keyboard. Try it. When you are done drawing, press Escape on your keyboard. This will terminate the line command. If you want to select a single line, you can click on it. Or you can make a window selection with 2 clicks. There are 2 types of window selection, from left to right. Only objects entirely within the window will be selected. And from right to left, where objects within and crossing the window will be selected. Press Shift and click on lines to unselect them one by one, or use Escape to unselect them all. Now try to select everything that you just draw, and press Delete to erase it. The lines you drew did not have specific positions. To specify positions, you use the command bar at the bottom. Select the line tool again, but this time instead of clicking, check the command bar. It says Specify Start Point. Last time, we did it with the right click, but this time, we are going to type 0, 0, then enter. Your first point is now the origin of the coordinate system. The first 0 you typed was the X position. The second 0 you typed was the Y position. The comma was used to separate X from Y. You must use the comma because the dot is used for decimal. Let's see how. Notice that the command line is now asking you to specify the next point. Do so by typing 10.5, 0, then enter. An horizontal line has been created. This line is exactly 10.5 long. Now type 10.5, 5.5, then enter. The vertical line is exactly 5.5 long. An easier way to draw is by using Ortho. Click on the Ortho button on the bottom of the screen. Notice how you can only draw horizontal and vertical lines. Now, move the mouse in the direction you want your line to go. And type 10.5, enter. To close the square, make sure that E-Snap on the bottom of the screen is selected. With a mouse, go near to the closing point and see how your mouse gets snapped to it. Click. We have now drawn a perfect rectangle, long 10.5 on X and 5.5 on Y. Press Escape. To zoom in and out, scroll the mouse wheel. To pan, click the mouse wheel and drag. This is the end of the first DraftSight lesson.